Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you a simple way to scan a WhatsApp QR code on your PC and access your WhatsApp account from the desktop. First, I'm opening WhatsApp desktop on my computer. As you can see, a QR code is displayed on the screen. This code is required to connect the desktop application with the WhatsApp account on your phone. Now, I'll take my phone and open WhatsApp. From the WhatsApp menu, I'll go to Link Devices. Next, I'll select Link a device. The QR scanner will now open on the phone. I'll point the phone toward the computer screen and position the QR code inside the scanning area. Once the code is detected, WhatsApp will start the connection automatically. I'll wait for a few moments while the account is being connected. As you can see, the process is now complete, and my WhatsApp chats are appearing on the computer. This means the QR code was scanned successfully, and WhatsApp desktop is now connected to the phone. From here, you can open any conversation and send messages directly from your PC. You can also share photos, videos, documents, and other files using WhatsApp desktop. If the QR code does not scan on the first attempt, make sure the entire code is visible on your screen and that your phone camera can clearly see it. You can then try scanning the code again. The important thing to remember is that the QR code shown on the computer must be scanned using the link, a device option on your phone. So that's the complete process for scanning a WhatsApp QR code on your PC. Once the scan is successful, your WhatsApp account will be available on the desktop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.